Hello, last time I showed you the full step-by-step assembly process for the IKEA BROR shelving unit, from unboxing to setup in my storage room. But now I will show you how to install the drawers in these IKEA BROR series shelves. The drawers come in at least 2 different sizes to fit your chosen shelf. The BROR drawer comes in one box, which contains everything necessary to upgrade your shelf with a drawer for more convenient use. The most valuable thing in this box is the assembly instructions manual. There are a lot of parts and a lot of packaging. Don't panic. I'll show you how to put all of this together. As you can see, there aren't many screws, at least. First task is find the side panels. Place them as shown in the manual and fasten them together with the drawer back panel. Then slide the drawer bottom into this construction and screw it in so it doesn't fall out and holds the structure together. In total, you need to put in 7 screws here. Next, add the front panel. But as you can see, I need to unscrew 2 screws first, as they are in the way. Attach the drawer front panel and screw it tightly into place. In total, 7 screws hold this front panel in place. Very impressive. The next step is to upgrade the shelf unit itself, so the drawer can be inserted. Once you've decided on the height where you want your drawer, insert these small parts into the front and rear shelf columns. Then you need to install the drawer rails, but be careful. The wheel needs to be at the front. Screw both rails in, and that's it. Congratulations! You have upgraded your IKEA BROR shelf with a convenient and practical heavy-duty drawer. It's easy to insert and remove the drawer whenever necessary. I hope this video helps you install your drawer. Good luck and see you in the next video.